day.
Why are you not giving me your
You're
name?
gonna be in space C6.
Why? I need your name to contact customer
You're
support.
be in space C.
The worst car rental problem I experienced with Avis budget. Watch this video to the end to see how they handled it and my car issues I had. I'm glad that I have my Volkswagen Arteon. I've never had issues like this, but a Mazda CX-50 2025, I couldn't fill the gas tank for the love of God. It would just keep shutting the pump. Pump would keep shutting off. And then the second car was a Dodge Hornet, and unfortunately had a hybrid. Some issue. The brake system had issue, and as I drove it off in the rain, the lights start to come on, and the problems arise on the Dodge Hornet, which I really wanted to drive that to the New York. But watch to the end and see what this lady said to me at the counter after I asked her to change the car for me. And she was annoyed, and I asked her for her name, and look how she handled it.
Has some issues. Let's look at it now. Let's see if it makes noise. Yep, there is something wrong with the evap system. Must be. Alright, let's see how it feels. Okay, this is it. This is the car rental. So here, XDM 1879. Let's look at this thing pump feel. Yep, shut up. Keep shutting off. Look this. Shuts off. Shuts off. Again. Shuts off. Shuts off, and look. There we go. And it smells really bad fuel here. I couldn't even fill it up. It says it was half a tank. And look, the fuel doesn't go. I only got 2 gallons in there, and look what happened here. Look at this. Spilling everywhere. Oh man. What in the world is wrong with this car? Why are you not going to give me your name? No, why are you not going to give me your name? Why are you not giving me your name?
Be in space C6.
Why? I need your name to contact customer support.
Be in space C6. Have a nice day.
That's how Avis handles.
Have a nice day.
I had 2 cars from you guys broke down on me.
You're gonna be in
You don't. You're not.
C6.
Your customer service
nice day.
skill sets are really bad. They're terrible.
Yes. Have a nice day.
Your name.
Have a nice
I
day.
need your name.
You're gonna be in space C6. Have a nice day.
I need your name.
Space C6. Have a nice day.
I need your name.
I can be here all day. I'm not going nowhere. I got nowhere to be. Have a nice day.
What is your name? Why are you scared to give me your name? Huh? Why are you scared to give me your name? Ma'am, where's the supervisor here? I need a manager.